This tune is called Drowsy Maggie, and today I'm going to do a detailed review of this piece, so essentially the way I would teach it to a large group. It's also the way I teach it to an individual, but in a large group we have to be a lot more efficient, so I'm going to go quite quickly. If you need to go through something again, just rewind. If you need to go through something a little bit more slowly, there is a playback speed option somewhere in settings, somewhere around here. And now we begin with a first finger on the D string and on the A string. You can rock your finger back and forth. I prefer to just bar my finger over. This makes a nice fifth, and we're gonna start. So that's 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, or E, B, E, D, E, B, E. And I'm over exaggerating the movement. Really, it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, together, go. Again. We're gonna do 2 more times. So I'm gonna add on to it, and then we're gonna break it into a chunk just so you can hear what the context is. New part sounds like this. Ready, go. A, 2, D, 2 is outlining an arpeggio or a chord. Ready, go. One more time. Beginning, ready, go. Again, play. Then the first part repeats again. And here's something new. So that first part is starting a scale, and then we do an arpeggio going down. Ready, go. Ready, go. B, A, B, C sharp, D, A, 2 on D, D. It's hard to do the note names at the same time as playing. We're going to go through from the very beginning of the A section, and I'm going to do this twice in a row. Ready, go. So that's the whole A section. If you need to go through it a few more times, go back to the beginning even, and just redo it a few times. Now we're on to the B section, so listen once. Couple parts are really repetitive, and the last section it's actually an exercise that is often done in choirs, and I believe it's partially in Suzuki Book 1. It would be finger exercise number 1. So from the beginning of the B section, we're starting with a 3 on A. We're going to go 3, 1, 3. That's a 1 on E. Now pattern emerges. We're going to do 3, 1, 3, 2, E2, ready, together, go. We're adding on a scale. Scale. Once more, ready, go. Adding on 3, 1, 2, E. So a lot of patterns in this tune. From the beginning of the B section, ready, slowly. Scale. similar to the ending of the A section. I'll play it again. That last part is an arpeggio down. You can end on open D or A as long as you're playing an open string to end that section. It will fit with the chords. So from the beginning of the B section, ready, go. To go back to the beginning of the B section if you need more repetitions. Now I'm going to finish off the B section. So listening first, I'm going to go from the beginning of the B section. Next part's the same. Until here. Now we're going to do a little bit of a finger pattern. 3, 1, 2, E, 1, 3, E, 2. So we are doing a pattern going down. It might not be obvious at first because we're crossing a couple strings, but you will hear it. So we're going to do it a couple times together. Ready? And... if you're one of my students, you're going to play it like this. The fourth finger. I'd recommend the fourth finger anyways, but my kids know that I'm a bit of a stickler for those fourth fingers. We're gonna go through that section one more time, that little pattern, and I'm gonna add on to it. It's the exact same ending as the A section. Here's the ending. From the beginning of that section a couple more times, so from the pattern down, ready, go. Now I'm going to go from the very beginning. I'm going to play it a little bit under speed, but still fast enough that you can hear the general idea. From the beginning, 1, 2, ready, go. So because we've changed keys in the B section, we do have to go back to the A section, play it once more through, and then we're done.